Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Gonna add to my cooking video selection. Gonna make garlic bread. Here's the ingredients: mozzarella cheese, garlic, obviously, parsley, minced garlic, parmesan cheese, butter. I throw everything on there, garlic related, if you will. Especially a nice piece of Italian bread from the local Pistozas here on Staten Island. The best. Cut the butt off if you're not into the butts. Slice it down the middle. Open it up and get it ready for preparation. Lots of garlic. Get the garlic ready for the mincer. You can see there's a lot of garlic involved in my garlic bread. There'll be no mistake in what kind of bread this is when it's finished. Mince it up. Let's melt some butter. 1 loaf gets a stick and a half. The more butter the better, because the whole key is to coat the entire bread with butter. There's a half a stick. Parsley. Minced garlic, in case you're having trouble reading. And there's the freshly minced garlic. Lots of garlic. Stir it up. That's going to be the mix. Melt all the butter. Alright, ready to brush this on. And you always want to have too much instead of too little. So that's why I use a stick and a half of butter. You can see we're going to coat every bit of the top of this bread. The butter will prevent it from getting crusty and burnt once you put it in the oven. Speed this up a little bit for you. Kind of get the idea. Don't waste any of it. Throw it on there. A little garlic salt. A little parmesan cheese. Then we're going to seal it all in with some shredded mozzarella, as we say here in New York, or other parts of the country, mozzarella. Whatever you prefer to say. Nobody's judging. We're going to put this in the oven at 425 and keep an eye on it for maybe 15 minutes or so. Hope you enjoyed the video.